This 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express Liberty Edition 326 BHDS 2 BDRM double slide, 1.5 baths as a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used coachman is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, external shower, smoke detector, air conditioning, slideout, skylight, TV, auxiliary battery, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express Liberty Edition 326 BHDS 2 BDRM double slide, 1.5 baths is 8,640 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.